So HighLevel has two apps. They have the branded HighLevel app and they have the unbranded Lead Connector app. It's exactly the same app. They both do exactly the same thing. You can make calls, you can receive calls, you can send text messages, you can check your opportunities, you can post to social media. You can do exactly the same thing in each app. Now, why would they do this? If you weren't aware, HighLevel allows you to create an agency and white label that agency so it's not branded by HighLevel. Under your brand, you can charge clients for the services that HighLevel offers under your brand name. You can do this with plumbers, electricians, salons. But when you do that, you can also tell your clients that you have a mobile app. So you just tell them to download the Lead Connector mobile app, and it doesn't have the HighLevel brand. So before we get into how to actually use the app, many of my clients ask me how they can get a private number from the system. If HighLevel allows us to load two separate apps, then we can have one app answer the main line, and we can have the other app answer a second line. All we have to do is create ourselves a duplicate user in the system and then assign that user, ourselves, another phone number. Then when the calls come in, they'll see a HighLevel call coming in. They'll know it's from the main line, and they'll see a Lead Connector call coming in, and they'll know it's from their private line. Well, how do we do this? In a previous video, we set up the master system number and we assigned that to Monica. She's the owner of the account, so she got the number for the main system, and it's the default number. But Monica wants a private number. So all we have to do is go over to my staff and create her another user account. So she'll know when she's looking in the system which one of the users she's working with. You'll see that her email address is her primary email address. But we created another user with another email address, and we added a plus private here because you can't have two users with the same email address. You can have two users with the same phone number, but not the same email address. So when we created this user, we gave her the first name of Monica L. Jackson, and then the email we assigned as Demo Monica Jackson plus the private. It still goes to her Demo Monica Jackson email, but it has a plus private on there, which makes it a new email. We use the same phone number. We don't need a calendar and we don't need a signature for this person. They have all the same roles and permissions. We made them an admin with all the same permissions she has as the system admin. So now we've saved the user. We're going to go back to our phone system and we just add another number under add phone number. Go through the same process, filter first part of the number, 727, turn off the toll free, apply that, find a number that we want, and proceed to buy. So we did that for Monica under this 308-5077. Now what we do is go over here and edit. We're going to edit the configuration. We're going to change the friendly name to Monica's private number. We're going to assign the team member to Monica L. Jackson. Not Monica Jackson, but Monica L. Jackson. We're going to make sure it's set up for the mobile app. We're going to turn off the call recording because she probably doesn't want her private calls recorded. We can go to the call forwarding. We're not going to do anything there. We go to the advanced settings and we turn off the call connect. When we save that, now Monica's private number is assigned to Monica L. Jackson. So if we go back over here to the staff and check, edit Monica L. Jackson. Go to call and voicemail settings, and you'll see Monica's number is set up to that private number. We'll make sure everything goes to the mobile app. She can add another voicemail if she wants to. We're going to say, and now Monica has a private number under Monica L. Jackson. Okay, here we are back at our phone. Monica's going to log into the HighLevel app using her primary email. She's going to log into the Lead Connector app using the secondary email that she used to set up her second account. Both apps are going to want to send a verification code to each email. You're going to put that verification code into each one of the apps, and bang, each app is in the same CRM system under a different user using a different phone number. When a call comes in through the main number, you'll see that the HighLevel app is going to pick up the call. You'll see it's the HighLevel app because you'll see the icon displayed and you'll see it's HighLevel. When a call comes in from her private number, you'll see it comes into the Lead Connector app. And you'll also see the Lead Connector icon. So you'll quickly know when calls come into the HighLevel app, they're coming from the main system. If calls come in through the Lead Connector app, they're coming from your private number.